If you're a Nevada Energy customer, you definitely noticed the rate increases this summer. Probably paid more for energy than you ever have. And the sort of good news is that we're heading into the tail end of summer. So we won't be using as much energy as we did in July and August. The not so good news is that MV Energy's rates are going to go up another 2% starting September 1st, which is right around the corner. So even though you'll be using less energy, you're going to be charged more per kilowatt hour. Another rate increase with Nevada Energy. Congratulations. And September is usually, right up there with about June's weather, maybe a little between June and July. And then October is pretty warm the first 2-3 weeks as well. So the next couple months, we're not necessarily out of the woods, even though we won't be using as much as we did in July and August. The rates are going to be up. And then starting January, there'll be another rate increase. So congratulations, we keep getting to pay more and more for energy. If you own your home and you're not happy with these constant rate increases, the bludgeoning of your bank accounts, you might want to look at solar. And I know if you go online and research it, you could find 1,000 things wrong about it, and you might find 1,000 things that are great about it. The reality is not everyone benefits the same way from solar. Not every company does it the right way. There's a lot to learn about it, but when it is done the right way and your home's a good fit, the savings are significant, and there are no out-of-pocket costs as well. So if you could go solar and it doesn't cost you any money out of pocket, and you start saving money from day one, then it's win-win for you, right? The problem is you don't want to deal with a bunch of salespeople, a bunch of people trying to ram a product down your throat, a lot of dishonest solar guys out there, a lot of bad solar companies out there. What we'd like to do is, for anyone who's tired of paying these rates, we'd like to give you an opportunity to look at how much you can save and see if it makes more sense for you than the plan you're on right now at Nevada Energy. If you want to take a look, click the link below. You can book a meeting with us where we help you out. EnergyUpSolar.com. We help people save money on their energy bills, but it doesn't make sense for everybody. Our goal is to help you see if it makes sense for you. Click the link if you're tired of paying these crazy energy rates.